Hi, this is your Dr. Bitlavenu. In this video, I'm going to tell you what are the things that we need to do while attending an interview. What are the things that we don't do while attending an interview? These two things we will see in this video. Then I will also tell you what company is going to think about us after joining in the company. Then let me move further. These are the contents that I am going to discuss. Then after joining in their company, the company is not going to expect wonders from us. In this globalization, every work is standardized, every work is defined with the standard procedure and rules. So by using the standard procedures and rules, we need to complete whatever the work is assigned with us. This is what the company is going to expect from us. Then, while attending an interview, we must be having appropriate dressing. Preferably, we must wear light colored shirt and dark colored pant. This is because the first impression will be the best impression. We must wear appropriate dressing. This is very, very important. If you are a female candidate, so try to wear the same color top and bottom. And then if you're attending a physical interview, this is what the dress you need to wear. If you are attending an online interview, or preferably you try to wear the dark color, I mean top and bottom. This is very, very important because for the camera, dark color will be preferred, which gives a very good impression. Then the other thing is that we must have eye-to-eye contact before the interview panel. So if we have eye-to-eye contact, so that sends some signal to the interview that we are involving in the current content. So we must have, I mean, that sends some signal that we are involving and as well as we are properly interacting with them in the current situation. This is what very, very important. We must have eye-to-eye contact. That also sends some signal that we have confidence to sit before them, and this is very, very important. Next, the body posture is also very, very important. It is always preferred to. It is always we need to sit with a straight posture, and our body must be straight. This sends a signal, this sends a message of that we are smart and we are confident, and we will get some credibility if you sit straight. Suppose if you sit with open posture, that sends a signal that is more relaxed and more open attitude. This is really a negative impression to the interview panel. Now when you sit with a closed posture by folding hands, by folding legs, this is really a negative impression, and this sends a signal that is a negative attitude. So the body posture is very, very important. We must sit with a straight posture. Then we must be honest and respectable at all times during the recruitment process, no matter with whom you are talking, with whom you are speaking. We must use the polite words from the top to bottom after entering into the recruitment premises. We must speak honestly and respectful. Then before the interview, our answer must be straight unless they ask you to elaborate, uh, because the interviewers will search for the questions from the answer only. So if you illustrate whatever you don't know, so they will ask questions from us only. So unless they ask us to elaborate, up to that we are not supposed to elaborate. So our answer must be straight to the question. This is very, very important. Then always we must use polite words in the discussion. Example, may I know, please. These words are very, very important, which may be used as a suffix, as prefix in all the sentences while giving answers before the interview panel. This is very, very important. Then our body emotions also very, very important. It sends some signals to them. So body language is very, very important, that we will see in the next slide. So we must manage our emotions properly. We must be balanced. That means our brain and body must have some synchronization. Even though a situation is, I mean, came to laugh loudly, but we need to control properly. So we should not speak loudly, we should not laugh loudly. So we must have balance at the location, at that location during the interview process. Then before attending the interview, we must collect all the company profile, how many people are working in that company, and if they have patents, we need to collect, and who is the CEO, and who are their major clients, how many employees are working in that company. All this data needs to be gathered before attending an interview. That tells to the interviewers that you are having more interest towards that job. This is very, very important. Then prepare notes for your interview. Might be you will not get questions, you may not be asked those questions, but it gives some boosting, it gives some confidence before attending an interview. This is also very, very important. Then we must listen to the interviewers very carefully. We must be sure to listen the interviewers questions, because if we ask them to repeat the question, so they think as that we are not interested, we are not focusing on the content at that scenario. So we must be focused to interview, we must be focused to listen their question properly. This is very, very important. Then when it comes to the don'ts in the interview, we must not late for the interview. If you go to the interview late, there must be some mismatch. There should not be sync between your brain and your body language. If you attend late to interview, definitely you cannot answer well, and your body language is not up to the mark. Your answer will not be up to the, I mean, you cannot meet the appropriate levels in front of the panel. This is very, very important. Then uh, do not ask inappropriate questions like the remuneration, benefits about the candidates, because so these questions can be asked in the final rounds of the interview, because remuneration and benefits will be in the final round of the interview. If it is a technical round, we need to stick to the technical questions only. So we should avoid asking inappropriate questions in the interview panel. Be careful what round you are attending. Then do not do any jokes with the interview panel, because the people who are sitting in front of us is officials, and it is a professionals. I mean, they are professionals. So we must be very, very careful, because they are strangers to us. We should not do any jokes, and they are superiors, they are strangers. So we must be very, very careful. We should not do any jokes with them. Then you should attend with a decent clothing, because it sends very wrong signal to them. It is a, if it is a professional round, so your dress should be proper. This is also very important. The finally, if, so it is not least, but it is very, very important. Your body language is very, very important. It speaks more than more louder than the words. So like your body language and your head, your hand movements, and everything should be proper, because this is more louder than the words. So thank you, and follow all these steps and get success in the interview. Thank you.